For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Getting affordable car insurance for rental cars can feel like navigating a maze of hidden fees and confusing coverage options. Fortunately, AI is changing the game. From comparing prices to customizing policies and detecting unnecessary extras, AI tools help you make smarter, faster, and cheaper insurance decisions. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use AI to secure cheap rental car insurance. Step 1. Understand your rental insurance options. Before diving into AI tools, it's important to know the types of rental insurance typically offered. Collision damage waiver, CDW, covers damage to the rental vehicle. Liability insurance covers damage or injury you cause to others. Personal accident insurance covers medical expenses from an accident. Personal effects coverage covers stolen or damaged personal items in the car. AI won't help much if you don't know what coverage you actually need. Check if your credit card or personal auto insurance already includes some of these protections. Step 2. Use AI-powered comparison tools. AI insurance comparison sites analyze your travel data and preferences to recommend the cheapest and most suitable policies. Use these tools before booking your rental. Visit AI-driven insurance platforms like Gabi, Insurify, Jerry, or the Zebra. Enter your trip details, including rental location, duration, and type of car. Let the tool scan dozens of providers in real time. Get quotes tailored to your needs, sorted by price and coverage. These platforms use AI to identify the best deals and flag overpriced or unnecessary add-ons. Step 3. Use chatbots to clarify insurance terms. Many insurance companies and rental platforms now use AI chatbots to answer questions instantly. Use these bots to clarify what's included in your quote. Go to the insurance provider's or rental company's website. Start a chat session with their AI assistant. Ask specific questions like, does this CDW cover theft? Or is there a deductible? Get clear, simple answers to avoid surprises later. This helps you cut through the legal jargon and only pay for what you actually need. Step 4. Use AI to scan credit card benefits. If you're renting with a credit card, check if it includes rental car insurance benefits. AI-powered personal finance tools like Clio, NerdWallet, or Wallet Hub can analyze your credit cards and let you know which ones include coverage. Connect your card details to the AI app. Get a summary of your included benefits. Compare them with the rental insurance to avoid overlapping coverage. This can save you from paying twice for the same protection. Step 5. Use AI expense trackers to set a budget. AI budgeting apps can help you plan for insurance and avoid overspending during your trip. Use apps like Anab, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard, or Monarch. Set a travel category that includes car rental and insurance. Let the AI track your real-time expenses and make recommendations. These tools learn your spending patterns and suggest where to cut costs. Step 6. Use AI to predict risks and adjust coverage. Advanced AI insurance platforms can analyze your travel behavior and recommend the appropriate level of coverage. I use apps like Root or Metromile that track driving habits. Even though these are for personal use, you can simulate short-term behavior similar to a rental. The AI may determine that you're a low-risk driver and recommend less coverage. This strategy can give you an idea of what kind of protection you really need, helping you avoid overspending. Step 7. Use AI-generated reviews and forums. Instead of browsing endless user reviews manually, let AI help you identify useful insights about insurance companies and rental policies. Use AI search engines like Perplexity.ai or U.com. Search for Best Cheap Rental Car Insurance Reviews. Let AI summarize thousands of user reviews to highlight pros, cons, and red flags. This step will keep you from falling into traps like hidden fees, bad customer service, or denied claims. Step 8. Use AI tools to compare on-site versus third-party coverage. When you arrive at the rental desk, they'll often push you to buy insurance on the spot. This is usually more expensive. Instead, compare on-site coverage to third-party AI-recommended options in real time. Use your phone to access a comparison app like TravelInsurance.com or Allianz Travel AI Assistant. Input your rental agreement terms and see if cheaper external options are available instantly. Some platforms even let you purchase instantly on your phone. This can cut your rental counter costs by 30% or more. Step 9. Use AI to detect hidden fees and exclusions. Hidden fees can make cheap insurance expensive fast. Use AI-based document analyzers to find exclusions in the fine print. Use tools like Do Not Pay, Legal Robot, or ChatGPT PDF Analyzer. Upload or paste your rental insurance policy. Ask the AI, what hidden fees, exclusions, or what traps should I watch for? This step can save you from costly mistakes like choosing a policy that doesn't cover glass, tires, or theft. Step 10. Use AI to set alerts and track rate changes. If you're booking in advance, use AI to monitor rental insurance prices over time. Use tools like Hopper or TripIt with AI notifications. Set alerts for your travel dates and insurance coverage. Let AI inform you when prices drop or promotions appear. Timing your purchase strategically can save you 15 to 20% on insurance costs. Step 11. Use AI to negotiate or bundle policies. Some AI tools like Policy Genius or Lemonade offer bundling options. You may get discounts by combining rental coverage with other travel insurance. Ask the AI if bundling with trip interruption or health insurance will reduce your total. Let the AI generate multiple scenarios to compare. Choose the package with the best price-to-coverage ratio. Bundling through AI tools can offer better value than buying individual policies. Step 12. Use AI to create a custom travel insurance plan. Final tips. Always decline duplicate coverage if your credit card or travel insurance already provides it. Don't just go with what the rental agency offers by default. Keep digital proof of your policy in case there's a dispute or claim. By combining smart planning with the power of AI, you can navigate the complex world of rental car insurance with confidence and save hundreds in the process. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.